Good evening, y'all. Way Up North Survival here. So this Arctic blast blizzard that is supposed to come in this evening and carry on for the next 24 hours. We are outside right now and we are grilling because that's how we do it up in the UP. But I will show you over here. We've cleared a space to the grill. You can see these big old icicles. It is cold. The wind's blowing. You can barely see the ridge up top. We got a small ridge up here. But we got the grill going. And right here are some big fat steaks that we're going to be eating for dinner. I've got some baked potatoes in the oven. But this is how we do it in the UP. Blizzard, no blizzard, doesn't matter. We'll be out here. We'll be doing it in style. Hope everybody's safe. Stay warm. Stay indoors. Don't be crazy like us. But have a wonderful day. Subscribe, like, share, comment, ask questions. I'd be happy to answer when I get a chance. Y'all take care.